Hello everyone, it's Darlene from darlenestampinspot.com, and I'm ready to share with you Club Create for September 2025. Each month I'll choose a bundle or a stamp set and I create 4 unique cards with it. I provide all of the supplies needed to create those cards along with envelopes and a set of crafty goodies. This is available as a subscription or as a single class. So let me show you what we're doing for September. This month I'm featuring the Impressions Abloom bundle, and this is a 17-piece photopolymer stamp set. Mine is very well loved, and I've gotten a lot of use out of it and had so much fun playing with this bundle. The dies are amazing. The two-step stamping images are spectacular. I just love them. You can choose to add this to your card club if you wish, and if you do, I offer it to you as a discount, which is basically free shipping, and I cover the tax for any items that you add on. You may already have this bundle, so you can use stamps that you can already own if you don't. Now let me show you what is included in your kit. So everything comes packaged for you pretty nicely, and each card has their own envelope, so everything is in the individual envelope, so all the parts and pieces are ready to go for you to stamp, assemble, and just have fun. The subscription is charged to your credit card the same time every month. It's the easy button. You don't have to think about it. I send you an email letting you know what the kit is for that month and the opportunity to add on anything if you wish. Now, if you don't want to subscribe, that's okay. You can pay just a little bit more and get just the single month. There are, however, loyalty rewards after 6 consecutive months of Club Create, and that is where you get a really nice package valued at $25 with products and goodies and all kinds of fun things. So let me show you the cards. So this month, you're still making 8 cards, and there are 4 different designs. But this month you're getting the full pack of designer series paper. So I've switched up each pair of cards, if you will. So this is the first set of cards. So you can see the layouts are similar. We split the DSP into 3 panels over here, and here it's just left solid. So, but it gives the opportunity to use more of the paper, which is absolutely gorgeous. The paper is so, so pretty. So there's the first set of 2. And then we have these. So this is fun. I really wanted the opportunity to use this Timid Tiger along with the Darling Duckling that's in the paper. Those are new in colors that if you're watching this before August 31st of 2025, they are actually on sale 15% off. Anything that is in color related, 2025 to 2027. This is also Strawberry Slush over here, another in color. So we've used 3 of them here, and the paper is full of in color items. So there's the second 2. And then we have 2 fun folds. So here we have this one, bringing in more of the blues and pinks. And then we have some more of that orange with the yellow and pink here. Center pop-up easel card. And here it is. In both of them are versions of the greens and the yellows that are in the paper. And then, of course, you get your 8 envelopes. So those are the cards. Now, let me show you the crafty goodies. So here's the pack of paper. So it is 12 by 12, and it's the Floral Impressions designer series paper. The colors are Crushed Curry, Darling Duckling, Fresh Freesia, Garden Green, Misty Moonlight, Old Olive, Peach Pie, Pecan Pie, Pool Party, Pretty in Pink, and Strawberry Slush. And here's my little paper sampler showing you a little peek of each of the patterns. So that's always fun. So you get the full pack of paper, and then you're also going to get the full pack of the 2025 to 2027 in color flat pearls. These are probably one of my all-time favorite embellishments. They're so pretty, and they're they're fairly flat too, so you don't really have to worry about extra postage unless you're like me and you use a lot of dimensionals. But there we go. So that is the product that is included. Now, I hope that you will consider either joining my Club Create for September or just taking a single month. I've packed a lot of love and a lot of value into this September kit featuring the Impressions Abloom bundle. Thank you so much for your consideration.